If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To view your company's usage settings and upgrade your plan if needed, click the Settings button that appears in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Usage Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the current usage limits in that category to the right. Usage limits in QuickBooks Online are tied to your QuickBooks Online subscription level. The current levels of usage for the billable users, chart of accounts, classes and locations if enabled, and tag groups appear at the right side of the screen. You can click the links in each of these sections to see the corresponding list items within your company file if desired. In these windows, you can manage the items to try to stay within your usage limits as needed. Alternatively, at the far right of the usage screen, you can view the limits for any proposed upgrades that may be available and upgrade your plan to increase the limits if desired. To close the Account and Settings window, click the Done button in its lower right corner or click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.